Hello everyone! Welcome back to our Healthy Habits class. Today, we are going to continue with our lesson about the 5 senses. We have 5 senses. We have the sense of sight, the sense of hearing, the sense of smell, the sense of taste, and the sense of touch. We are already finished learning about the sense of sight, hearing, smell, and taste. And today, we are going to learn about the sense of touch. Our sense of touch. Everybody say sense of touch. The body organ we use for our sense of touch is our skin. Can you show me your skin? There it is. Very good. Now, everybody say skin. Our skin is the part of our body we use to feel our world around us. It covers our body and helps us to feel the texture of things. Now, maybe you are wondering why I'm showing a picture of your hands while I'm talking about skin. Well, you know our hands is covered with skin. Our skin makes us feel if the object is hot or cold, smooth or rough, soft or hard. Now kids, let us give examples of things that are hot. Can you say hot? Very good. First one we have coffee. Maybe your mommy or daddy loves to drink coffee. It is hot. Next we have fire. Fire is hot, so don't touch the fire, okay? Next we have iron. Say iron. Next, here are the examples of things that are cold. Can you say cold? Very good. We have here ice. Next we have your favorite ice cream. We also have snow. And here are the examples of things that are smooth. Can you say smooth? Awesome. Now first we have glass. The surface of the glass is smooth. Next we have mirror. Say mirror. Lastly we have egg. These are eggs. Next, let's give examples of things that are rough. Can you say rough? Very good. We have here your favorite durian. Next we have log. And lastly we have sandpaper. And here are the examples of things that you feel as soft. We have here cotton. Say cotton. Next we have marshmallows. Yummy marshmallows. Lastly we have pillow. Can you say pillow? Very good. And next we have the opposite of soft is hard. Can you say hard? Very good. First we have rock. You know, rock is hard. And next we have hammer. Can you say hammer? And lastly, we have your table. Tables are hard. Very good, everyone. Now, let us review. I'm going to show you pictures of objects and you're going to tell me what you feel. Start your answer by saying I can feel. Are you ready? Let's begin. This is an ice cream. You have 5 seconds to answer. I can feel. Cold. Very good. Next we have, tell me what you feel. This is an iron. Tell me what you feel. I can feel. Hot. Very good. Next we have, tell me what you feel. These are eggs. I can feel. Smooth. Very good. Eggs are smooth. Lastly, tell me what you feel. This is a durian. What is your answer? I can feel. Rough. Very good.
Good job, kids! I hope you enjoyed our lesson today. Don't forget to subscribe and I'll see you on my next videos. Bye!